Regular pest control is essential for maintaining a safe and healthy home environment in Wichita, Kansas. Throughout the year, various pests such as ants, rodents, and termites can invade your home, each bringing unique challenges that threaten both your property and your family's well-being. The best way to handle these pests is through prevention, which is why regular pest control services are so important. By scheduling routine inspections, you can catch potential pest issues early, reducing the risk of full-blown infestations that lead to costly repairs and unnecessary stress. Beyond prevention, regular pest control is critical for protecting your family's health. Pests like cockroaches, rodents, and mosquitoes are known carriers of diseases that can cause serious health problems, especially for children, the elderly, and those with compromised immune systems. Regular pest control also safeguards your home's structural integrity, as termites, rodents, and carpenter ants can cause significant damage if left unchecked. And of course, consistent pest control brings peace of mind, knowing that your home is actively protected and that you're not at risk for unexpected infestations. It also enhances your home's value, preserving its condition and making it more attractive to potential buyers. At Strike First Pest Management, we offer customized pest control plans tailored to the specific needs of Wichita homeowners. Our eco-friendly treatments are designed to be both effective and safe for your family and pets, providing comprehensive protection year-round. Contact us today for a free estimate and let us help you keep your home pest-free.